Okay guys, welcome to another ham radio video. Unfortunately, this is kind of a sad ham radio video. This is my Icom 9700, and as you can see, the color display here is acting up. You can see the greens going back and forth. There's purples in the screen. I've had this radio since 2019. I also own an Icom 7300, an Icom 7610, and an Icom 705. That's not to brag, just to let you know a little background that I do. I'm pretty familiar with the Icom radios here, especially the 9700 and the 7300. So anyway, long story short, I originally bought this in 2019, and actually when I first got this radio and turned it on, I had this issue with the display. The purples, the greens, all this stuff was on the display. So I contacted it was actually I bought it from Gigaparts. So I contacted Gigaparts, made them aware of the issue, and I contacted the Icom support. And they had told me at the time they had never heard of this or seen this before. I sent them pictures and everything. And so I was actually preparing to box it up and ship it back to Gigaparts. People at Gigaparts are very nice and were helping me to do a return so I could get a new unit. And so long story short, I had the unit on for about 30 minutes while I was just, I figured I'd just listen to the repeater while I was getting everything ready to pack it and before I unplugged everything. And the screen went back to normal. And I hadn't had an issue with the 9700 screen issue since then. But now it mysteriously has returned. Now, just so you know, I did do a partial reset, and I also did a full reset. Just so you know. So like I said, I did it all reset. I saved my settings, of course, so we'll do the partial reset right now. Partial reset, yes. So sorry about the screen there. So here we are. Yes, again, the purples, the greens through the FM and stuff. You can kind of see this in the menu system too, I think. Yeah, see that's green and the green lines coming out of the buttons you would push. Going down to display. I tried changing the backlight to see if that would help anything. Normally it was at 50%. If I turn it all the way down, you can still see it's there. Turn it all the way up, it just gets brighter, of course. Put it back down. It was at 50% for the longest time. I've had it at 45 just to see what would happen. And I have run this for longer than 30 minutes to see if maybe that would fix something. But unfortunately, it has not as of yet. And you can see all these greens here. I mean, it's just really weird. The radio does function seemingly fine. I mean, as far as broadcasting and receiving, everything seems to be fine. It's just, unfortunately, the display's messed up. So I've tried, turning it off, turning it on. Like I said, besides the partial reset, I did do a full reset. I've had it unplugged completely for many, many hours. And this started the other night. This is about 2 nights ago. I had the 9700 on, and I was running it for a while. Probably had it running for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And that's when the screen went from being normal to back to this, which I originally saw in 2019. I know there's a technical term for the screen doing this. I think it's something with the communication of the screen. It may not be the screen itself. It just might be what it's receiving from the radio is being interfered with, and it's producing these anomalies. I'm sure someone can explain that a little bit better than I can from my technical standpoint. But anyway, I did research on YouTube to see if I could find any other people having a screen issue like this, and I couldn't find any videos on it, so I figured I better make a video in case there's any other hams out there that are having the same issue. And again, I don't wish this on anyone. I love my 9700. I love all my Icoms, actually. I've had my Icom 7300 since 2017, and I've never had an issue with the screen with that at all. And I know some hams were wary about having a touchscreen radio in case, hey, if the touchscreen goes out, I lose the whole radio. Definitely is a concern. But I know technology is getting better and better all the time. And in fact, with the Icom 7610, I know at first they had some issues with the screens, and Icom was replacing those even if they were out of warranty, which I thought was really awesome that a company takes care of their products and their customers like that. I have not contacted Icom as of yet about this issue. I was just waiting to see if maybe it would go away like it did originally. And I see some fluctuations where it looks like it wants to go away and then it comes back. And you can kind of see that now. I don't know if you can see that on the, I don't know if it'll keep doing it. You can see it's fluctuating. It's like this. It's like something's interfering with its connection or communication with the radio or the computer inside to the screen. That's my best guess at this point. So anyway, if this continues, I'll contact Icom, see what they say. It is out of warranty, obviously. Like I said, I got this in 2019. Here it is, late March 2023. So I don't know if they'll be able to do anything about this. I'm really not happy about having to ship this to an Icom repair facility. I mean, if I have to, I will. But yeah, that would be, I think the last time I had to ship a radio like this, it was about $150 to ship it, UPS. So not cheap just to ship it. So anyway, and yeah, so anyway, guys, just wanted to let you know the issue I'm having with the Icom 9700. Please let me know in the comments if any of you had any other similar issues with the 7300 or the 705, as they all have the same 4.3-inch touchscreen display. Like I said, I don't wish this problem on anyone else, and I really wish I didn't have this issue myself, but there it is. Anyway, guys, you can see it right there. It's fluctuating, like right there. Like it wants to go away, and then it's just fluctuating. So really weird. Anyway, guys, I'll say 7-3. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. 7-3.